Respectful Dr. Ozan Bacı, the governor of Tokat, honorable members of the Turkish Parliament, respectful Mr. Eyüp Eroğlu, mayor of the beautiful city of Tokat, Mr. John Bruno, the executive director of the International Ecotourism Society, and of course, Mr. Murtaza Kalender, Vice President of the International Ecotourism Society. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, when we need to speak after a lot of great speakers and also those eloquent ambassadors, the best strategy is just make it short, like ladies' mini skirt, as short as possible. It's really truly a pleasure of being invited here to this great event. This is also the first time for me to visit Tokat City. This city with great and nice sceneries and rich historical and cultural heritages. Thanks to the hospitality and well arrangement of the Thais and Tokat city government, we have enjoyed an unforgettable tour yesterday and experienced those famous touristic sites of Tokat, and especially the delicious local foods. We really appreciate the Tokat kebab with domates biber patlıcan. And those özel yaprak sarması. That's really tasty. Ne kadar lezzetli. For the past 1.5 years, because of COVID-19 pandemic, it has been a tough time for tourism and the related industries in many countries, including Turkey and Taiwan. While we have observed the warming up of the tourism activities since this summer, ecotourism seems to be the leading approach of recovery of this sector because it's natural and healthier, safer for its spacious distance. The International Ecotourism Society promotes responsible natural travel to natural areas which conserve the environment and sustain the well-being of local people at the same time. It makes the tourism real sustainable and engages all public, private, and even the individual stakeholders. Well, it's not just an international trend, but also a genuine development of the tourism. I'm really pleased to see Turkey has paid serious attention to this direction and has adopted the necessary measures to, based on its strong tourism resources. Taiwan is an island country with magnificent geography and considerable flora and fauna. We have worked also very hard on this trend and on this ecotourism sectors, and now it becomes an amazing part of our tourism. As we now live in Turkey, we look forward to seeing more ecotourism programs from all the travel agencies here today, and we are ready to tell our nationals to visit Turkey and enjoy its great nature. Last but not least, I wish the conference and all the events of Thais are successful and fruitful, inshallah. Once again, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Tokat City government and the team of Thais, and wish you good health and best of luck. Thank you for your attention. Çok teşekkür ederim.